Everyone. Till date, we have studied about the sources of the history. In that, we have studied about the different buildings, different statues, memorials, gives us the information about certain history. Okay, that are the only statues or buildings or the such kind of only things. Okay, but now we will going to see the what are the other sources of the history. In that, different written sources are available, along with this oral sources are available. Now we will see the written sources. Okay, the following aspects are included in the written sources of the modern history. Now you can see that on this book, these are the written sources, and these are the aspects related to written sources, that correspondence, foreign accounts, newspaper, biographies, periodics, periodicals, factory records, autobiography, and books. You know very well that the books, newspaper gives the information about certain history or certain incident. Okay, so that is also one of the source of the history. Okay, in that, first one is newspaper and periodicals. In that, newspaper provide us the information about the contemporary events. As usual, we know that the newspaper gives us the information about the current affairs. That means the whatever the current situation has been going on, just like the corona, we get the information, everyday information about the corona. That means the newspaper gives the current affairs, current information about the particular incidents. Along with this, it gives also the historical information about certain event. Okay, the along with it, the detailed analysis of the particular event, views of the eminent people, editorials are the also published. Okay, you know that in newspaper, the editorial page is available. In that page, we know the different information about the different incident, different events. In that, these are the events, current events, as well as all in the historical events also included in this. On that the particular event, some fact, some peoples gives the response to that particular event or particular their opinion about that particular events. Okay, in the pre-independence period, the newspapers like the ज्ञानोदय, ज्ञान प्रकाश, अमृत बाजार पत्रिका, दीनबंधु केसरी acted as the important sources of the awakening the minds of the people. Okay, we know that the in Kolhapur, the Pudari, Sakal, Tarun Bharat, these are the newspapers. But what were the situation about newspapers in the pre-independence? In pre-independence, there are different newspapers were available. First one was Jnanoday, Jnan. After that, Jnan Prakash, Amrit Bazar, Patrika, Deepbandhu, Kesari. Kesari is the one of the most famous newspaper at the time of the before pre-independence. You know very well who was the chairman of that Kesari. Okay, that is the homework for the you. You have to just find out the who was the chairman of that Kesari in before, that means pre-independence. Okay. Though the newspapers, we can study the British policies regarding the India and their effects on the India. At that time, newspaper gives the some information about the British policies regarding the India and their effect on the India. Okay. During the British period, the newspapers were not only the source of the political event, but also the acted as a source of the social information. Brief information. Okay. That's why in British period. Okay. not only the newspaper not only gives information about the social area, social aspects, but also about the social. Along with this, it gives the sources of the social reformation. Reformation, it gives the information about the social reformation. The Nibandhamala by Vishnu Shastri Chikulkar and the Satapatre, written by the Lokhitwadi alias Gopal Hari Deshmukh in the weekly Prabhakar comments on the various social and the cultural issues. Okay. Then next written source is maps and drawing. Okay. In that, you know very well that our state's map has gives us some information about the different places of that state. Along with this, we give the map gives the information about the particular place and what are the contents are available in that particular place. Okay, that is also one of the source of the history. And drawings also. Drawings, you know very well that it gives the lots of information about the particular place. You know very well that. Map is also regarded as an important source of the history. The changing nature of the city or a particular location can be traced through the maps. You know very well, to find out a particular place, we go through the map. You know very well that the Google map gives the accurate information about the particular place. Such kind of written maps or drawing maps are available at the time before the Google map. Okay, to reach at the particular place. The survey of the India was an independent department established during the British period. Through the scientific methods of the survey, they have created the maps of the India, various provinces of the India, cities, etc. Some to draw the map of the India, the British in British period, the survey had taken after that survey. On the basis of that survey, the map of the India and different cities, map of the some different states is drawn as drawn. Okay. Similarly, the plans designed by the architect prove the important from the view of the study architecture of the building as well as the phase of the development process of the particular area. You know very well, to build a home or any building, it requires the map. Okay, so you will get the what are the importance of that map. For example, the Department of the Mumbai Port Trust has original plan of the Bombay Port. Information about the development of the Bombay city can be understood through the plans drafted by architect and engineers. Department of Mumbai Port Trust, that department has the Bombay Port information about the development of the Bombay city. Which department? Department of the Mumbai Port Trust. This department has the Bombay city information about the development of the Bombay city. Have you understood these 2 points? Okay. In next video, we will see the oral sources. Okay.